Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to add countdown on the Instagram story. So let's just begin. So as you can see here that we are inside our Instagram profile. So to add the countdown onto our story, so first of all what we have to do, we have to create the story. So to create the story, we'll simply click on the plus icon here, which is into the center in the bottom. And now you'll be able to see the gallery here. So if you want to pick any picture from your gallery, you can simply pick any picture from the gallery. Alright, so now what you have to do, you have to click on the story here, and from here you can actually capture a picture if you want to, but you can also explore the gallery here as well if you want to. But I'm gonna go here with the picture, so I'm gonna simply click on the image icon here, and I'll simply pick the image here. And to add the countdown is pretty simple. As you can see, we have the smiley face at the top here along with the other icons as well. So we're gonna simply click on that, and if I scroll down, you will be able to see the option of the countdown here. So I'm going to simply tap on it, and here we have our countdown on our story. So I can simply add any message or any title to my countdown. So I'm going to simply add it as, let's say, holidays or the holiday, whatever you want to add it. We can actually add the date and time to it. So if you only want to add the date to it, you can only go here with the date and the month. But if you also want to go with the time as well, you would need to disable this, and now you can also add the time to it as well. But I'm gonna go here only with the date and the month, so I'm gonna simply enable this again, and I will go here with the 10th March. And then what I can do, I can simply tap on the arrow that we have on the bottom right side. We can simply click on the share. Now we have simply uploaded the story on our Instagram profile. So I'm going to simply tap on it, and you will be able to see holidays here with our countdown. Okay. So this is how we can add the countdown on our Instagram story. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.